2.5 kilometer jungle hike. We got dropped off. We have our canoes, and we're gonna hike back around to those canoes and paddle back to the lodge. It's called the albino tree, and it's white because there's a fungus on it, and the guide said it's luminescent in the evening. Got a tree that looks like green camouflage.
Yes.
We got a termite nest. The guide was mentioning that the soil here is kind of poor as far as nutrients, and so the trees are shallow rooted, and the natives here use the soil for clay to make clay pots. This tree is the ebony tree, and the guide was saying this is the hardest wood in the Amazon, and they use the tree commonly for like keyboards for musical instruments. The natives use this vine for paralyzing for the blowgun darts. They make a mixture of it, and on the tip of the blowgun darts they shoot the animal, and it paralyzes the animal. See that frog there on that green leaf? It's one of the most deadly frogs on earth. The skin, the toxin is about 200 times more than regular morphine. This is a camphor tree. It's sort of medicinal, and you can smell it, and it has a incense type of smell to it. This is called the walking palm tree.